Welcome to Cooking with my mum. So, what is she making? She's making bell peppers Indian style. So she has heated oil in a pan, and now she's adding fennel seeds and hing, asafoetida. This is an Indian spice. It's good for digestion. Actually, all Indian spices have really good benefits for your health and digestion, and on top of that, they add very nice flavor. Now she's adding the green capsicum. The fennel smells so nice. And stir it. This is mild capsicum, it's not hot. These are not peppers or chilies. And she's adding salt. Stirring everything. And now she'll just let it fry. So now all the bell pepper capsicum is nicely roasted, and now my mother's adding chickpea flour, 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour, and cilantro. She already has added cilantro. Mix it in nicely. So my mother said she needs a little bit more chickpea flour. She already has kept roasted chickpea flour. She roasted herself in a pan, and she's adding that, and of course she has added cilantro as well. And she's adding about a tablespoon of lemon juice or citric acid. As you wish, you can add what you have at home. Now she'll mix everything nicely. So now you can see everything is cooked. She just lets it on the stove for a few minutes, and because it's roasted chickpea, it's cooked very quickly. But even if you don't have roasted, you just need a few minutes to just steam it. Steam it with the hot bell peppers and just steam it on medium flame. And now it's ready. And now she has transferred the sabji, vegetables cooked in spices, are called is called sabji in Hindi. So she has transferred our vegetables into a serving dish, and it's ready. So this is Shimla mirch, saunf or besan ki sabji. So it is roasted bell peppers with fennel seeds and chickpea flour, and garnished with cilantro, and of course other Indian spices are in there as well, like hing. And you can serve it with flatbread or rice, but Indian flatbread called chapati is really, really tasty with it. So if you like the video, like, share and subscribe, and comment below for more ideas and wishes. See you soon. Bye.